Hi, this is Natasha from Forgotten Way Farms, and I'm going to show you today how to make an eggnog latte. So you're going to need some coffee, eggnog, and milk. With the eggnog and milk, you're going to want 2/3 of eggnog and 1/3 of milk. So now we're going to go steam our eggnog and milk, and you can do this in a pan or if you have a steamer. We have a steamer, so that's what we're going to do today. So if you don't have an espresso machine, you can use 1/3 of a cup of very strong coffee instead of 2 shots. Okay, so now I'm going to grate some nutmeg on top. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and the next mug is a London fog.